Ang taunang Reggie Padua Cup ay inorganisa ng UP Triskelion Alumni Association Incorporated at ng isang consulting corporation na may layuning makalikom ng pondo para sa National Children's Hospital. Para makibahagi sa programang ito, panoorin po natin ito.
Isang layunin ng muling nagbuklod para isagawa ang isang masaya at makabuluhan na aktibidad para sa kapatiran ng UP Triskelion Alumni Association, katuwang ang SOCX. Ito ay ang patatagin ng samahan ng mga miyembro at isulong ang pagtulong sa mga nangangailangan sa pamamagitan ng 17th Annual Reggie Padua Cup.
The Reggie Padua Cup started in 2007 in honor of our deceased brother, Reggie Padua, who is an avid golfer during his lifetime. And at the same time, this is a project that usually coincides with the anniversary of our organization.
This is the 17th year, which is timely kasi may transition din from the previous chairmanship. Ito transfer sa UP. UPTAI, Triskelion Alumni Incorporated, ang pag-handle ng Reggie Padua moving forward. So this is an opportune time to come back home in Aguinaldo where it all started.
May mga premyo din ang nag-aabang para sa mananalo sa nasabing Hole-in-One Challenge. At tinatayang aabot ng 100 ang nakiisa sa makabuluhang aktibidad.
This year's tournament will not only celebrate our anniversary, but to generate funds to support our humanitarian and socio-civic projects like yung yearly donation namin sa National Children's Hospital.
We'll see you next year. But again, this is with support to our advocacies, the National Children's Hospital, and we entice each and every one of you to participate in the coming years.
Ika nga, we make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. Dahil sa bawat tulong na naiaabot sa iba, dala nito ay buhay.